Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. Today, we're going to focus on batch features found only in the Extreme version of Bluebeam Revu. You can find out which version you're using by going up to the Review menu in the upper left corner of Bluebeam Revu and going down to About. A window will pop up here, what version you have up here. On this presentation, I don't have any page numbers or anything like that. This could be a bid document, spec, drawing, anything like that where you want to add a header or a footer. So I'm going to come in here, batch, headers and footers. I'm just going to select the file that I have open. Again, the purpose of the batch tools is we could have multiple files open at the same time from different folders all over your network without opening those. I'm just going to point to this one and show you how this works. So I'm going to say next. And it gives you this header and footer little preview screen. And on here, I could go down, let's see, maybe in the header on the left, I want to add the date or page number. So I don't have any page numbers on here. I'm going to add that up here. Page number. I can tell it what format I want to see it in. So I'm going to say 1 of n. So it'll say 1 of 18. And I want to start at 1. Say OK. That gives me a little preview of what that's going to look like. And I can use these margins up here to adjust where I want that to be located. So as I reduce the left, you can see it pull over to the left side over there. If I want to reduce the top and so on, you can get it positioned where you want that to be. And then you have these presets in here that you could put anywhere you want, in the center, on the bottom, top, right, left. And you can also just type in information if you want in here, naming, maybe it's preliminary or something like that you want added in here. You can do that as well. And you'll see once I click OK here, it's going to add that page number on here. If I go all the way back to the beginning, page 1 of 19, and so on, you're going to see that up here. So a lot of times the workflow might be to add those when they're not provided. And then these page labels don't do us any good because they just say 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, it kind of helps, but you might want to add a page number to that. So you can use your create page labels up here and utilize that by doing a select and drawing a box around that and saying OK. And then it'll rename all those labels with what it saw in that box. So 12 of 19. So kind of a cool workflow there. I hope you all took notes and enjoyed the detailed introduction to Revu's batch tools. If you recognize the time-saving value of these batch tools, reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.